Good morning again. My name is Tyler McCully, Wide Rural Mid-Missouri Trains and BNSF Santa Fe on YouTubeland. I'm filming my last chance to film of today. We'll see what it is. The train's going slow. -9, all right. I'm gonna go here. There are lots of locomotives. The train's going slow. That's a mixed freight, all right. -9, all right. Woo! BNSF, all right. '77 needs 10, all right. 4, 5, Warbonnet, all right. 55-9, all right. 8 locomotives, all right. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 33. That train was going slow. 5, 36, 37, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, driving mixed freight cars. That train is slowing down. Who's motoring, Jack? Tyler McCully, Wide World, Mid-Missouri Trains. BNSF Santa Fe Warbonnet. You enjoyed the video with Dash 9s and BNSF Warbonnet. Get a comment section below the video. Give YouTube a like. Have a good day.